अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम फातिमा बुखारी है और अगर आप मेरा वीडियो इस वक्त देख रहे हैं, you know why you're watching. You wanted to see the recreation of this look. This is probably the most requested look on my Instagram, which was the Walima साड़ी वाली look. आज के इस वीडियो में I'm going to be reviewing a new palette. It is none other than the Huda Beauty की Mercury Retrograde. I was so excited to get this palette finally now that I've gotten it. खैर मुझे काफ़ी अर्से से मेरे पास पड़ी हुई थी, but I've been dying to play with this, dying to play with the shades. So let's dive right into the tutorial और सीखते हैं कि ये look मैंने कैसे create की. वीडियो पसंद आने पे don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. ट्यूटोरियल में स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ विद माई फेस ऑलरेडी डन. मैंने अपनी फाउंडेशन, सेटिंग पाउडर, ब्राउज, एवरीथिंग इज़ डन. स्टेप्स आर द सेम एज द वंस जो कि मैंने बारात के ट्यूटोरियल में और मेहंदी के ट्यूटोरियल में किए थे. तो आई विल लिंक दी वीडियो जिसमें मैंने ये फाउंडेशन रूटीन की थी. आई विल लिंक इट अप हियर somewhere, maybe here or here, ताकि आप इनमें से you can just click on it and see कि मैंने अपनी फाउंडेशन किस तरह सेट की हुई है. I've done my contour. मैंने Kat Von D का शेड लाइट यूज़ किया था. और आज के लिए I am reviewing the new Huda Beauty की Mercury Retrograde. और इस पैलेट से मैंने अपनी वलीमा की जो लुक है वो रिक्रिएट में कर रही हूँ. This is what it looks like on the inside. This palette is so gorgeous. मतलब देखने में it is super pretty, super pretty, and I just cannot. I've been waiting to do a look with this, and I guess what better time than to recreate my Walima look. अभी मैंने इसके first impressions आप लोगों के सामने करूँगी. I haven't actually swatched this, so we're gonna be diving right into the swatches. इस palette में जो textures हैं, they are so amazing. I mean, it has some amazing glitters, pressed pearls, shimmers तो हैं ही हैं, और mattes, but जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा interesting लगता है is this shade, and even they've named it so nicely. So I'm going to be swatching the bottom row. Okay, this is Vortex. This is Hot Mess. ये Supernova है. Oh wow, look at that. Now I'm swatching the shade Karma. Very nice soft color. अब मैं लगा रही हूँ pressed pearl. This is gold glitch. Wow, that is so pretty. Just look at this. This is so pretty. It's just frazzled. And look at this. Frazzled is similar to gold glitch. The only thing is it's a warm toned. It's a darker toned, like a copper shade. This one is more of a gold tone. ओके अब आती है जो इससे ऊपर वाली लाइन है जिसमें सबसे पहला शेड इज ऑफ बैलेंस. दे फील वेरी नाइस एंड बटरी. ओके दिस इज अ लाइटर शेड. ये है गैलेक्सी. दिस इज अ शिमर शेड. अगेन ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. फिर आता है लिब्रा. इट्स अ लाइलैक शेड. Then we have Crash. Here we have Momentum. This is not going to show up on my skin. I think it's probably an exact match of my skin. And then we have Supermoon, which is like a pressed pearl, but it's a white. Just like this. I don't know if you can see this. ये इसकी shine है, ये देखो. This one is like my skin tone, so you can't really pick it up. This is called Momentum. और बाकी shades, this is what they are. देखो the better shades are. I'm kind of like out of space, so I'm gonna be swatching it on this side. The first shade is Cosmic. Next is Utopia. Oh my god, this is so freaking pigmented. ये ultraviolet है. And this is so pretty. This is so pretty. And now comes my favorite shade, which is called Nebula. This is gonna be so pigmented. I already know it. Oh my god. This is pretty. This is so pretty. You see that? Insane. I'm gonna use this. I want to use this, but I can't use it with today's look. We have Mercury इसके पीछे पैलेट बनी हुई है। Oh my god, this is insane. I feel like I want to swatch Vortex again because I feel like it didn't swatch right on this arm. Last one is Haze. And it looks really pigmented. Is bazu pe kuch bhi nahi laga hua tha, so I'm guessing. Oh wow, look at that. So these are the shades. I love the top row the most, I'll be very, very honest. Let's swatch Vortex again. I feel like I didn't give it like the due thing. Let's see if it swatches properly here. Look, it's a soft shade. It's not a very dark shade. It is not, I mean, here it looks a bit funny. Or yahan pe bhi, it's not one of my favorites. For a darker shade, I expected more pigment, lekin itna pigment nahi hai iska. This one is probably my favorite. This is Utopia. Utopia is such a good shade. And so is Hot Mess. But yeah, these are the shades. You can see it. Ye dekho, itna pyara iska color payoff hai. Except for Vortex, I think baki sare shades are really, really nice. Idhar bhi. This one is too light. I feel like, I don't know, ki kitni skins pe show up kare. Okay, so we're starting with the eye makeup. I'm taking a brush like this one. This is from Sigma. This is my E30 brush. और मैं ले रही हूँ the shade. This is called Momentum. सबसे पहले मैं ये ले रही हूँ. और Momentum को बस, I'm just sweeping this all across my lid. I don't think this is going to show up, but I'm just sweeping it all across my lid. Next, we're taking up the shade Off Balance, ये वाला. और इसको मैं लेके I'm going to start blending in the first shade onto my lids, ठीक है? और मैं ले रही हूँ it onto a Morphe brush. ये blending brush है Morphe का. It's a very pretty pink shade. I love it. जो मैंने actually वलीमे की जो look create की थी, I ended up using a peachy shade, but since I'm reviewing this, तो इसमें जो colors हैं मैं उसी के आसपास I'm going to play around it. It's a pretty pink. That was a peach, but this is a pink. Next I'm going to pick up this shade called Haze, and I'm picking this up onto a Morphe brush. Haze को मैं अपने pink shade के ऊपर layer कर रही हूँ into the crease. Now, keeping this in mind, जब मैंने इसको place किया था in the pan, it looks very pretty and bright. जब मैंने इसको pink के ऊपर layer किया, it has a tendency of looking a little ashy. So that was the one thing जो कि मुझे थोड़ा सा weird लगा था about this shade. But I feel कि अगर आप इसको on its own use करें without using the pink shade underneath, I think this would work fine. But layering on top of the pink, I found it looking a little ashy. Going back with the brush, जिससे हमने transition shade लगाया था, और इसको हम blend करेंगे. Depth के लिए outer corner में I'm going to take the shade. This is Vortex, और ये मैं अपने outer corner से place करूँगी. Vortex का जो shade itself जो है, it's a very nice purple undertone dark shade. क्योंकि मैंने haze use किया हुआ था, I wanted it to look less ashy because मैंने pink नीचे layer किया हुआ था, like I mentioned before. The Vortex kind of like saved this look with creating a nice amount of depth or darkness outer corner पे आ गई थी, so I was kind of really happy about it. Here is my main concern. जो मेरी major concern है about this shade is कि इसके अंदर एक warm shade भी है जो peachy tone वाला shade है. उसके साथ Vortex का shade, because it has no other brown in this palette, कोई dark brown shade नहीं है, it might be what I feel actually it will be difficult to work with, which I feel कि if you have any other palette जिसके अंदर dark brown shade है, आप वो use कर सकते हो. That's the only shade I found missing, कि अगर वो इसमें होता तो उसके साथ I feel कि आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा shades आपके जो हैं वो blend हो सकते हैं. But चले, it's not a huge deal. I guess हम सबके पास कोई ना कोई एक आधी पैलेट पड़ी ही होती है जिसके अंदर डार्क ब्राउन शेड होता है. That's not a big deal. But I wanted to put this out कि जो लोग सिर्फ एक ही पैलेट लेते हैं उनके लिए ये चीज़ मैं put out कर दूँ. अब हम लिट कट करेंगे और we're just going to map out. जिस नॉर्मल कट पीस आप करते हैं उस तरह हम करेंगे. वोर्टेक्स वाला शेड दोबारा से मैं आउटर कॉर्नर्स के ऊपर डिफ्यूज करूंगी। Picking up the shade Haze और वो मैं इसके ऊपर लगा रही हूँ। Okay, so अब बारी है shimmer shade की and I'm going to be using two. एक मैं press pearl use करूँगी, एक मैं pure shimmer use करूँगी. I'm going to be using the first shade is Galaxy and then I'm going to be using this shade. इसका नाम क्या है? इसका नाम है Gold Glitch. Shimmer जो है, oh my god, this is so pretty. It gives that chrome effect. It's out of this world, kind of beautiful. This shimmer. This shade Galaxy, it's so pretty. I love it. बहुत प्यारा शेड है. Looks beautiful, so beautiful. इसी brush के flip side पे I'm going to be picking up, बल्कि I'll pick it up on a finger because it's a press pearl. I like to do press pearl with my fingers. Oh my god, that makes so much of a difference. Shine देख रहे हो तुम लोग? Just look at the shine. Oh my god, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. I seriously wish that they had like जिस तरह का Nebula shade उस तरह का इन्होंने gold में भी बनाया होता. I would have been so much more happier. But I can't really use it here. I wanted to, but I can't. But yeah, this is basically the look. Mascara मैं लगा रही हूँ. इसके बाद I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put on some lashes. Normally I don't line my eyes, लेकिन आज I'm making a very tiny wing of liner. और ये I'm not even using a black liner. I'm using a chocolate brown liner from Folklore, and this is that pot. It's a gel liner. और ये छोटू सा wing जो है ये मैंने बनाया है. अब हम lashes लगा रहे हैं. अब lower lash line करेंगे और lower lash line के लिए I'm picking up a shade called Vortex, which is the darkest shade into this palette. और इससे I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to do my lower lash line just to give myself some kind of gradient. On a small brush, I'm picking up the shade called Utopia. What's going to blend करना है towards the inner corner area, dragging it to the outer corner. और blend करते करते आपने बाहर की तरफ लाना है ताकि ये अच्छा blend हो. Waterline में floor marquee में ये pencil use कर रही हूँ. This is I think it's a lake blue basically. Brows के नीचे highlight करने के लिए I'm using the shade Cosmic. That looks so pretty. I love it. Inner corner में मैं ये shade use करूँगी and I'm going to use it on a pencil brush. For blush मैं use कर रही हूँ Folklore का shade Tipsy. This is B07 and this is a very nice peach color. और ये मैं लेके I'm just going to be applying this. Highlighter के लिए मैं Ofra का highlighter use करूँगी in the shade Rodeo Drive. A little goes a long way. I love this. On the cupid's bow and on the nose. I'm going to blend it again using my Folklore का brush. For lipstick मैंने अपने lips soft रखे थे and I ended up using two different shades. एक मैंने darker shade use किया था. This is called BH Liquid Lipsticks की. This is Vanya. And this one is called Karen. Again, these two are my favorite lip combos and I personally love BH Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. These lipsticks are like super comfortable mattes. अब इसको थोड़ा सा ombre करने के लिए I'm going to be using the shade called Karen. और ये shade काफी light है. You know, smack your lips together ताकि और lighter हो जाए. So not only is this giving me an ombre effect, this is also giving me a nice fuller looking lip. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead, we're going to spray our face with MAC Fix Plus. and let that sink in. Basically जहाँ जहाँ आपके powders लगे हुए हैं वो सारे they will melt and become one layer and your highlighter is going to start shining more. ये देखो. ओके जी, अब मैं अपने बाल तो मेरे थोड़े से ऑलरेडी मैंने बैक कोमिंग करके बनाए हुए हैं. आई डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ हेयर इन माई हेड, सो आई विल बी वेयरिंग हेयर एक्सटेंशंस एंड प्लस आई cut them short, तो इसलिए I have to use hair extensions to give you that look again. मैंने अपने बालों को सेंटर से पार्ट किया था एंड बेसिकली बैक कोमिंग करके मैंने यहाँ पे पिनें लगाई हैं. I'm just going to wear my hair extensions, wear my jewelry और मैं साड़ी का पल्लू अपना फिक्स करके I will be right back. Alright everybody, we're at the end of this video. I hope आप लोगों को ये tutorial पसंद आया होगा. I had a blast creating this look. जो initially जो मैंने look create की थी that was in brown tones and peach tones. इसमें मैंने इस बार blue add किया है जो कि मेरी साड़ी में भी shade है. It's like a teal color. It's not actually a blue, but it's a teal color. और इसके साथ I'm actually loving how this looks. Lipstick और foundation and everything else is the same. But eyes के अंदर मैंने थोड़ा सा color add किया because I felt like it would look perfect with it, and it does. I'm kind of like loving it. Look, अगर आपको पसंद आई है, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel अगर आप new है मेरे channel पे. And as always, अगर आपकी कोई राय है, कोई suggestions हैं तो नीचे comments में ज़रूर mention कीजिएगा. मैं सारे comments पढ़ती हूँ without fail. Next week मैं आप लोगों के साथ share करूँगी एक video जिसमें मैं अपने पसंदीदा प्रोडक्ट्स जो मेरे सबसे फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स रहे हैं इस पूरे साल में I will be sharing them. They will be mostly local. आप फिक्र ना कीजिए, I will be sharing mostly local. कुछ international brands की भी share करूँगी but because there was no other alternative for it, but otherwise मेरी पूरी कोशिश होगी कि मैं affordable local products भी उसमें include करूँ. Now with that being said, much love, you guys take care, and inshallah I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.